My passion for theater is I love the process, and I love watching audiences be transformed when they come to see the theater. By the end of the day, it makes me really happy to be a part of this. My name is Mark Morissette. I'm the Facilities Director for the Berkeley Repertory Theater. Berkeley Repertory Theater has been here for 50 years, and we are one of the largest regional theaters on the West Coast. We anchored the downtown Arts District.
In 2007, Berkeley Rep was one of the first nonprofit theaters in the country to start thinking about energy efficiency. We created a green committee, we brought in experts from the community, and we started a full, difficult discussion about what are the things that we could change to make us a more energy responsible organization. Our theatrical lighting equipment is just a massive energy drain, and we're realizing that this is a problem that is only going to get worse, not better.
We knew that there were programs that were being offered by PG&E, and our equipment was dated, and we wanted to upgrade it for better efficiency and also better performance. When I first engaged with PG&E for this project, I called up our representative, Elena. I have high expectations of PG&E. I've worked with them in the past. They've always been very responsive.
Visiting the customer and just seeing the different lighting that they did have, I thought this was the low-hanging fruit that would be the most cost-effective and best way that they can lower their energy use.
We wanted to upgrade the back of our house for our theater and also all of our workspaces down at our shops. And then we're updating our HVAC systems and trying to install new controls that are going to help us perform better. The PG&E 0% interest finance program really helped our theater and allowed us to do these retrofit programs without out-of-pocket expenditures for this fiscal budget. This upgrade means a lot for this theater. It improves the lighting for all of our workers. It improves morale. It improves their ability to do their jobs quickly, more efficiently.
I feel pretty good that we're stepping up. This upgrade experience has actually been very satisfying.